This video is meant to show you Gradebook in the new version of eLEARN called Daylight. Click Course Information and Grades. Unless you have changed your default view, it will take you to the Manage Grades tab. You also have an Enter Grades tab, a Schemes, and a Setup Wizard. If you have not created your gradebook, you will want to click Setup Wizard. Click Start. You will need to choose if you wanted to do a weighted grading system or a points graded system. And then you can choose how you want students to see the final grade. You can choose how you treat ungraded items. For the grade scheme, most people just choose percentage. Choose the decimal places for grades. And then this is the student view, so this is how you control what students see. And then once you're finished, you will have a grade summary, and then you can click Finish, and that will allow you to create new grade categories, new items, import, and other options as well. I'm going to go back to the Manage Grade tabs because I already have grades created. These are the grade categories, and they help you keep your gradebook organized. Underneath the categories, you have the actual grade items. So to create a new category, click New and Category. Give the category a title, and then you have options about a description and how you want that grade category set up. Once you have chosen from your options, click Save and Close. You may also choose to add a new grade item, which you would click New and Item. Your options for creating new grade items are the same options you had in the older version of eLEARN, as you can see by this screenshot. I'm going to do a sample numeric grade. So I will give it a title. I will choose the category. I will choose the max points for the graded item. And then you have other options that you can choose, and you also have the Restrictions tab, which allows you to choose visibility for students, and you can tie the grade item to a learning objective. Once you have the settings in your grade item, you can save and close. At any time, you can use the down arrow to the right of a grade item to edit the grade item, which will show you the same screen you used when creating it. The down arrow will also allow you to enter grades for that item, and this will bring up a list of all the students enrolled in the class. You can view the submission, you can grade it here, you can give feedback for the student, and you also have an event log, and this shows you if you've changed the grade in the past. Once you add the grades, you can click Save and Close. And that is going to take you to the Enter Grades screen. This is where you see the grades for the entire class, and the grade items are the abbreviated grade that you gave a short title to when you created the item. And you have the same options here as you do for Manage Grades. In Manage Grades, when you right click, you can also view the statistics for the class as well as the event log. Looking at Manage Grades, you have the option to highlight all the grades and bulk edit, where you can change the title, the short title, which is what you see on the Enter Grade screen, the type of grade, the points, as well as other areas about the grade. Here you also have settings where you can see the association for the grade item to see if it's connected to Dropbox discussion or quizzes. If you notice, some of these have an eyeball with a watch. That means that the grade has a date restriction, which means students are only allowed to view it for a certain amount of time. If you click on Enter Grades, you have the option to export your gradebook to a CVS file to save for later use. And that is a very brief look at grades in the new version of eLEARN called Daylight.